The Education Ministry has ordered the board of William Knibb Memorial High School in Trelawney to thoroughly investigate the circumstances which led to a teacher at the institution allegedly pulling his licensed firearm at a student. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has been tracking this story.
A source told TVJ News that the incident happened about 2 weeks ago in full view of students and teachers at the institution. It's alleged that a male teacher and a student got into an altercation on the school grounds, which led to the teacher pulling his licensed firearm. TVJ News understands that during the altercation, the male student allegedly took up a stone to throw at the teacher. The matter has since been reported to the school board for investigation. When TVJ News contacted Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid, he said he was aware of the matter and described it as very unfortunate. We asked him about the Education Ministry's policy regarding teachers carrying their firearms to school.
Based on our guidelines for our safety and security, firearm on campus is not allowed.
Senator Reid said the teacher reported that he felt threatened and decided to pull his firearm. The Education Minister disclosed that the Education Ministry will now be sending out reminders to all schools about the policy surrounding firearms on school campuses.
We're going to do that. We're going to make sure that we send bulletins to remind all the persons what the requirements are and the standards are, so that if there's another occurrence, then we're going to hold the boards to account, because we're going to insist that everybody is now aware what the requirements are, so there can't be any excuse again in terms of this kind of operation.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.